How to remove or cancel Spotify Premium. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can remove or cancel Spotify Premium. Well, to remove or cancel Spotify Premium or Spotify subscription, what you'll have to do is you'll have to head into your web browser. Once on your web browser, you want to head into the tab that is accounts.spotify.com. So here I'll show you. I have already opened it up here. So you want to head into spotify.com and there you want to log into your account on your web. Once you're on spotify.com and logged into your account, you can see manage a subscription option, tap on it. Then here, if you do have subscription, you'll find it right here. You want to tap on that particular subscription. Down below it, you'll find the option to cancel the subscription. Tap on cancel option and proceed through the prompts, that is entering in your security questions and such, and you'll be able to cancel it easily. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.